Applying a teaspoon of ghee on chapati has several benefits, both for flavor and health. 1. Improves taste. Ghee enhances the flavor of chapati, making it richer and more enjoyable to eat. 2. Aids digestion. Ghee contains butyrate, a fatty acid that supports gut health and aids digestion. 3. Boosts nutrient absorption. Ghee helps in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, making chapati more nutritious. 4. Provides healthy fats. Ghee is a good source of healthy fats that can provide energy and support brain function. 5. Improves skin health. Ghee is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which can help nourish skin and keep it glowing. 6. Supports joint health. The fats in ghee can help lubricate joints, promoting mobility and reducing inflammation. 7. Balances body heat. In Ayurvedic tradition, ghee is believed to balance body heat, which can be helpful in maintaining overall body temperature during colder months. 8. Enhances satiety. Adding ghee to chapati can increase feelings of fullness, which may help prevent overeating. Moderation is key, as too much ghee can add excess calories.